So you have a pair of AirPods and only one earbud is working and the other one isn't. I'm going to give you two solutions to get you up and running right now, okay? So first thing we're going to try is we're going to factory reset this, okay? So I'll just use this one here. So factory reset, what you want to do is just open it first. And on the back, there's a button. You can see that little button right there. Same with this one as well. You can see that little white button right there. So we're going to open this up. And now I'm going to press and hold that button, okay? We'll do it together. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, do not let go. I'm still holding here. You can see it's blinking white. Just keep holding. It's going to turn amber soon. It's going to blink amber. Keep on holding, don't let go. Still holding onto the back button. It's going to turn amber. Okay, now it's blinking amber. I'm still holding. Now it's going to turn blinking white. Now it's blinking white again. Go ahead and let go. And then close it, and you just factory reset your AirPods. Now go ahead and connect back to your phone and then see if both earbuds are now working. If not, we're going to go to the second step right now, and this is going to work for most of you guys, okay? So the issue, most likely why one of them is not working is because it's not getting a charge, okay? So let's say, for instance, that this right one here is not working. So what I want you to do is go ahead and take that out, and you can see the connectors down here. What I want you to do is just blow in there. You might have lint or dust in there. Blow in there a lot, okay? Now go ahead and put it back in, and just make sure it's charged, okay? So you may want to go ahead and just go ahead and charge it back up in case that one earbud wasn't working. Just give it maybe 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and connect and see if it's working, okay? If it's not working, blow in there a little bit harder, okay? If it's still not working, then what you can do next is using like a dust off here. It's basically compressed air. So what you can do is, let's say the right one wasn't working, just go ahead and open that up, and then we're going to go ahead and put some air right into here, okay? And then pop it back in, give it a charge, wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, connect it back to your phone and see if both earbuds are working now. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.